SCO is considered a linchpin for regional cooperation to promote creating one Earth, family and future, widely recognized for its crucial regional and international role. The SCO addresses significant regional challenges, fosters cooperation among member states, and promotes stability in a complex geopolitical landscape. The significance of the SCO's outcomes and challenges, with a particular focus on its role in the context of Pakistan and the broader region, has been emphasized by the speakers during the seminar on post-SCO Council of Heads of Government meeting. Outcomes, challenges, and opportunities organized by Center for SCO Studies, Institute of Peace and Diplomatic Studies, Rifa Institute of Public Policy, Rifa International University and Pakistan. SCO Friendship Forum, Dr. Farad Asif, President of IPDS, highlighted the Institute's impactful initiative, including the establishment of the Center for the SCO Studies. Pakistan SCO Friendship Forum, a SCO-focused diploma course, Pakistan SCO Business Council, and various other endeavors aimed at advancing Pakistan interests in the region. Ambassador Yolanbek Tutuai of the Kyrgyz Republic discussed the outcomes of the Summit of Heads of Government in Bishkek, shedding light on significant agreements resulting from the recent joint ministerial commission between Pakistan and the Kyrgyz Republic. The ambassador said that both Pakistan and Kyrgyzstan are pivotal in promoting the ascent of the Shanghai Spirit. Dr. Rashid Aftab, Director of Rifa Institute of Public Policy, Rifa International University, emphasized the institute's achievement and underscores the colossal potential inherent in the 40% of the world's population residing in the SCO region. Dr. Muhammad Munir, Dean of Social Sciences at Muslim Youth University, shared key steps and approvals outlined in the joint communique and said that the communique had covered all the requirements that are making the SCO a strong regional organization. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Tariq Wahid, Dean of Social Sciences at Zabist, illuminated the importance and opportunities presented by the SCO. The event witnessed a substantial turnout of ambassadors, diplomats, and media personnel, further solidifying the SCO's impact in fostering collaboration and understanding on a global scale.